Right, let's get an order worked in there then. Long 3 DUSD. Really good daily buyers on this one, to be honest with you, although it looks like it will be holding over the weekend. It's about 10 to 4 in the afternoon. So I don't really like holding positions over the weekend like this, entering late Friday evening into a US session. Reason for this one is because of great daily bias we've got. Now, that's the last daily swing high, but just below there's a nice cluster of 4-hour candles I'm looking to target instead, essentially, because it's most likely to go there instead of trying to get greedy and take every single pip out the market. I've just got my directional bias set there, so can't quite find the level I'm going to look. I can look for something to enter this manually, so look. There we go, copy that straight from TradingView, which is just what we're going to go over now. Should have been tagged into the market on that one, but you know, spread got in the way of that, so leave that pending order in for the time being whilst I check out the daily chart and the reason behind this trade. See 3 lovely daily candles coming into the lower market demand zone, and you get the 3 drives to a higher pattern, 3 lows to a higher pattern. There's your first low coming in there. Then right afterwards, oh shit, wrong box. Right afterwards, following day, market makes another low, then springs back up. You get 3 days of relief there before we then make that third low coming in, just taking out the demand zone, and we're getting a really healthy push upwards from that level. Now looking to get in at a level about 66,500, so it's going to leave this pending order in and see what happens there. Well, it looks like this trade didn't even survive over the bloody weekend. It's stopped me out Friday late US session there. I mean, that's the level I was leaning on, that just absolutely collapsed straight through. Even on the hourly, it's just absolutely dumping, taking me out of the trade. But sad to end the month on a loss, but still up over 20% profit this month, which is really something to say for the small account. We've taken just a couple of handful of trades, 2% risk. We'll come back next month, start fresh and see what happens. So it's just a bit typical really. If I didn't get stopped out that last trade, I would have smashed through that take profit, eyeing up another AUD long as well. See, most people would have looked at that market and been like, well shit, I've missed a trade, there's not much I can do here now. Either FOMO into it, then you've got a really bad entry, or you can wait for a nice level like this that's about to set up, and we can at least take advantage of some of that movement, whatever the market will give us. I mean, looking at the charts on TradingView as well, shortly I'll show you there's a really lovely level on the hourly chart, nice free touch level with an untested supplier zone above market that's not. It was almost there. That fit wick was very, very close, as you can see by that pink box. But I think we could get a run for that level, considering nice daily bias, really strong uptrend, nice level and retest back into it, and we'll see what we can do there with just leaving the pens in order and set and forget. You know how it goes. Got filled in this one about an hour later. We got retail positions 83% short as well. That would be fuel for the fire, adding to the liquidity to this trade, and set and forget. Ooh, got an overnight winner here. About 2 o'clock in the morning, I think this hit TP. Nice return on there, 17.35. Looking at the chart, clean hit TP, create the shooting star afterwards, and bang, down from there. I mean, when you've got the retailers at 83% short, you've just kind of got to hit it at a level like that, especially when it's that close to the supply level above market. It's going to flick through the journal as well whilst I'm here. Most importantly, take a look at the screenshot. So this is before entry. Although daily candle doesn't look too healthy, the level was just so strong, paired with that 83% short retail positions, increased short positions as well, as you can see on the line chart. There's no reason not for me to take that trade, to be honest with you. Way too much confluence there. Not massive risk reward ratio, but it's a really good start to the month, especially when I was hunting that trade from last week. It feels good. Really interested in this UJ trade. 5R is the target that I'm looking at to the next above market supply level. Reason why I'm running this swing trade for that amount of time, it could be holding through weekends, that sort of thing. Mainly the fundamental basis behind the weakness of the Japanese yen, which is why I feel like swinging it from that lower zone to the higher zone above market. Technical analysis side of it, got a nice naked candle just above that level that sits on the 50% fib. That's where I'll be looking to place my entry. I am expecting a bit of drawdown if this position does get filled. Way past ATR as well. We were originally looking for shorts just before that 4-hour level there. It looks really nice in the hourly, about 6 touches there. Market broke impulsively, small pullback, didn't quite reach the entry. My entry was just above that wick, a little bit above market there, and then we came smashing down. That would have been a really nice trade, but that was never filled. So hopefully this one gets filled. There'll be a lot of levels that are built along the way this market as well, which I'll be looking to scale into once the position is at 0 on this one, set to break even there, but I won't just be setting it at break even for no reason. When that point comes, I'll talk you through the risk management of this trade as well. Going to be holding it for a couple of days. Hopefully we'll be able to build on it, and it'll be a really good risk management video just for about a week or two going over that. So hopefully this position gets filled anyway. Let's not get ahead of ourselves. Reckon we're going to get an old Phil Mitchell in this one, you know. AUD USD position came plummeting into my level. Now a lot of people will see this sort of price action and not want to catch the falling knife, so to say, but I love standing in front of these market levels where one, there's a really high time frame demand level or supply level above or below market that I'm trading into, like this one. Nice solid naked candle that I'm looking to lean on, paired with the fib, paired with the ATR being absolutely busted through on the day along with that. Yeah, looks like hopefully it's tagged in, but spread, it's not quite getting me there just yet. There we go, we're tagged in. I mean, just going to fill this in the journal, and I'll walk you through that shortly as well. May not be able to do that straight away because I've just got to fill it and then pop off, so I might give like an update a day later after I wake up. Asian session should be strong, I hope, anyway. Got massive stop loss in this one, by the way. 100 pip stop loss, just over a 500 pip target. Got a lot of news this week. I mean, let me just quickly have a flick through the news. Tomorrow we've got some US news at 1:15 PM, services PMI a bit later at almost 10 to 3. CAD interest rates, don't really take notice of that, and then manufacturing at 3 o'clock as well. So come back with an update, hopefully done as well in a nice profit. Fingers crossed. Lovely moves overnight. Asian session absolutely killed it. 4 hour, 4 hour, 4 hour, just consistent up movement. Having a bit of pullback now as we're coming into the US session, as well as news coming out due to that as well. So hopefully we'll see some further up movement preferably, but looking for a level to create around the 156,440s, just to get a break, recess, so I can remove my risk from this trade and look for new entries moving up. My new entries most likely won't be targeting the highs of this trade. I'll be getting in and out of the market level to level on the way up as well, just to take some daily and intraday trades in between that. I mean, looking at the journal for this, so that's the AUD USD position, my bad. Go to the journal. This is my entry. Naked level, straight through the ATR, 50% fib, lovely level below market as well for the supply, the demand there, my bad, I keep doing that. And looking at the retail data as well. Now this is a bit misleading due to the technical analysis side of things. So we have had a switch in the retail data showing that we've gone from bearish to bullish. So it looks like I'm on the wrong side of the market, or was that my initial entry? But because of the solid data on there, woke up this morning to seeing another flip. So that previous one was just very short term because we hit the demand level below market. So now we've got 59% short that I'm looking to run up, as well as this lovely movement we got today. So nothing to update really on this one, apart from the data behind the scenes. Keep you posted with whatever comes with the news, and hopefully it works in our favour.